So Graffen Business Systems has been around since 1963. I actually started with them in 1984, and I feel the key reasons that we're a top five provider and we have relationships with the four largest technology developers is because of how we do business with customers. I think the reason that we have these relationships has a lot to do with our ability to not only um, reveal what technology works for the client, and that's certainly our advantage since we have more than one to offer. We can certainly match up a client's needs with exactly what is going to be the best fit, not only today, but allow for room to grow with the technology and not be something that they would have to scrap and start over again. And we make that evident in our conversations with them. So the first thing that we do is we do an assessment. We find out what they currently have, if they are using something, what they like about it, areas that they feel that what they have hasn't been addressing, and then where they think they'll be in the next 5, maybe 10 years. And from there, we frame up what we feel is, based on our portfolio, what would be the best solution to recommend to that customer. And that's probably why some of these customers, I was looking at something the other day, and I saw a particular law firm that we have been doing business since the 1970s. A lot of the clients that we've had for decades. And you don't do that unless you're treating them right and making proper recommendations. As a full service provider, we're not just providing a website where you're buying something. We're providing a full experience. We have 28 employees, and in that employee background, we have varying degrees of expertise on the technical side, on the training side, on the project management side. So we do work with a lot of large organizations, whether that be healthcare or legal. And the reason we can handle projects like that is because of the team that we have, the experience that we have in the organization that we are. So that helps us stand out as far as solutions throughout the United States as a premier partner that is a very, very low risk, very, very high reward, and also trying to always bring the best possible ideas and concepts to the customer. We do have a fundamental understanding of what people in healthcare do, or what somebody in a legal judicial environment does. So not only do we understand our technology, we also understand how it gets applied in these areas, so that we can talk the talk with them and actually share experiences with them, and maybe even compare how other organizations have addressed similar situations. So our organization tends to have tremendous tenure with our employees. So, me in 1984, but you look at our support team that's been around, and even our administration teams, and we have a lot of employees that have been not only with the organization for a decade, but beyond. If you are looking for either a replacement to your current dictation or speech recognition technology, or maybe you're just new to this or have been handed this project, we would invite you to contact us, and we would set up essentially an assessment of your organization, find out a little bit more about how your intentions are to use it, who the personnel are that would be using it, and make recommendations based on our understanding of the technology and how it might apply to your organization. And you can reach us through a myriad of ways. You can call us directly at 610-825-3737, via email at info@graffen.com, graffen.com, or via our website at www.graffen.com.